Is it possible to have an affordable, convenient, and fast personal cloud storage service? Well, with Picsium it is. Picsium enables you to take control of your files by allowing you to store your photos, videos, and documents in one secure place. It also allows you to access and manage your storage anywhere you need it: phone, tablet, or internet browser. Isn't that great? First, you need to sign up with Picsium at web.picsium.com/signup. Then, you need to set up your storage, the place where all your files will be stored. For this, you have to download and install the Picsium storage app on your computer. Your personal cloud storage is now set. Now, you can get the Picsium app for your phone or tablet from Google Play Store or from the App Store and start uploading, downloading, or sharing files, photos, documents with your friends and coworkers whenever you want. It's that simple. Don't wait for more. Sign up today at Picsium.com for a 30-day trial.